Assalamu alaikum. Student, I am your science teacher. Today I am going to teach you unit number 10, heat and light. In this chapter we are studying about heat and light. First of all, I am going to teach you properties of light. Actually, student, light is very important. It plays very important role in our life. We get light and heat from sun. Sun is the biggest source to give us heat and light. Students, life is possible on earth due to sun. If sun is not exist, so there is no life on earth. The earth will be dark and cold if there is no sun. Student, do you know the sunlight reaches on earth take 8 minutes? Okay. Student, sun make life possible on earth. Sun is also very important for plants and animals. Student, there are three kinds of objects: transparent, translucent and opaque. Those objects that allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects, like glass. Student, here I am going to show you a picture. In this picture, the light passes from this glass because it is transparent. Okay. Second is translucent. Student, in this picture I am going to show you a partially opaque object, means translucent object. This object allows light to pass but not completely. So these types of objects are called translucent objects. Okay, now here I am going to show you a picture. In this picture, a boy passes a light through torch, and the torch light reaches on the wood. Okay, but the light cannot pass through the wood because wood is opaque. Student, there are three kinds of objects: transparent, translucent and opaque. Those objects that allow light to pass through them are transparent. Students, now I am taking two words and it's my next topic: properties of heat. Okay. Those materials which allow heat to pass through them easily are conductors of heat. वो चीज़ें जो अपने अंदर से हीट को पास आउट होने देती हैं, ओके, जैसे मेटल ऑब्जेक्ट्स वगैरह, दे आर कंडक्टर्स. ओके, आई एम शोइंग यू अ पिक्चर. इन दिस पिक्चर अ हॉट pot which releases heat. Okay, now there is an activity. In this activity, in pot there is warm water, and I put pencil, scissor, metal rod and scale. You can do this experiment at home. When you touches the pencil or scale, so you feel they are cold, but when you touch metal rod or scissor or anything which is made from metal, so you feel they become warm because of the heat of water. Student, those objects that allow heat to pass through them are called conductors, like this cooking pans. Okay, here I am going to show you a picture of iron and thermometer. In thermometer, the mercury is the heat conductor, and in iron, their iron base is made of iron metal. So that is why we iron our clothes. Student, now I'm onward my lesson. So I'm going to tell you about insulators. Those material which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are known as insulators. Student, चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जिनमें से हीट पास आउट नहीं हो सकती. Okay, here I am going to show you a picture. In this picture there are some cooking pans, but their handles are made of wood or some other material. Okay, when the pan is hot, we can easily pick this pan because of its handle. Wood and plastic are insulators. Student, here I am going to show you a picture. In this picture there are two pots. One is made of polystyrene, in which cold drink, and other one is made of styrofoam. Student, styrofoam is an insulator, means bad conductor of heat. Student, it is a picture of ceramic spoon. It is also bad conductor of heat. Now, student, I am going to give you an activity which is from your book. In this activity, you can also do this activity at home. In this activity, you put hot water in different types of glasses. One is of glass, one is of metal, one is of plastic, and one is of styrofoam. When you put hot water in 4 of the glasses, so you feel the metal glass become very hot because it is good conductor of heat, and on the other side the styrofoam not become hot because not become very hot because it is insulator. Thank you, students.